Hey everyone, this is Chandler and welcome back to another episode of Damaged Darts. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this, the Nerf Modulus Chronobarrel. I got this for about $15 the other day, and if you guys are interested in buying this, check out the link below. This comes with the Chronobarrel attachment. For any end-strike guns that you have, you guys can attach it to that. And it also comes with a little bonus of 6 elite darts. So let's get to unboxing this. Grab some scissors here. Oh, and let's see. Yeah, you guys will need 2 AA batteries in order to power up the Chronobarrel. So I'll have to grab a couple of those and power it up here. Alright. Pull this out. I guess it comes with some directions just to tell you what all of the things are here. Yeah, it just shows you how to put the batteries in and what the different buttons on the Chronobarrel do. Now to get it out of this stuff here. Alright, so there's the cool clear Chronobarrel and the screen that does the dart counting and the FPS or velocity count of how fast your darts go. So there's the power button, the down and up, and let's get these 6 elite darts out here. Alright. This one's really taped up here. There we go. Alright, get rid of that. And there's the 6 elite darts for your artillery. Alright. So let's take a pause here and I'll put a couple AA batteries in here. Alright, so I got the batteries loaded into this and I went over the manual. The power button there is for turning it off, so when it's on you click it over to the power indicator and that turns it off. The down arrow means actually to count down on this thing, and the up arrow counts up, or how many darts you shoot through this, so you can actually use this as an ammo counter and you can determine how many darts are in your gun. You can click on the plus to add darts and the minus to take away darts. And if you click both the plus and minus at the same time, you can switch between meters per second and feet per second. So let's take this out to the firing range and I'll grab a couple of my Nerf blasters and we'll try those out. Hey everyone, we're here at the firing range, and for my first blaster, I'll be using the Vanguard sniper rifle. If you guys haven't watched this mod yet, click the card here. Alright, here we go. 95.9, 103.7, 96.3, 99.9, 78.2, and last one, 99.1. Alright, for my second blaster, I'll be using my Nerf Blade Runner inspired double strike. If you guys haven't watched this mod yet, click the card here. There we go. 49.1 and 44.4. Alright, for the third blaster, I'll be using my Nerf Destiny new Monarchy auto rifle. If you guys haven't watched the mod for this yet, click the card here. I've got my 20 round Flipazine loaded in here, and I've got the Chronobarrel set to count up to see if it can count all 20 darts. Alright. Alright, counted all 20 and the last was 71.2, but I also caught in the in the register as well. One of them was about 90 FPS also. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Nerf Chronobarrel. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel already, please consider doing so by clicking on the icon here. Also click the notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Damaged Darts signing off.